If you're playing Brawl Stars and suddenly find yourself locked out of your account without a Supercell ID, don't worry, I'm here to help. Today I'll walk you through the steps to recover your Brawl Stars account even if you haven't linked it to a Supercell ID. First things first, open your Brawl Stars app, or you can go to the Brawl Stars web. After that, what you can do is, if your account is linked to Google Play or Apple Game Center, you can easily restore your progress by logging into the same Google or Apple account. Make sure you're logged into your Apple Game Center account, then reopen Brawl Stars and your progress should be restored. Now, if you're on Android, open Google Play Games and make sure you're logged in with the same Google account you use for Brawl Stars. Now, if you haven't linked your account to any platform, or if you're still having trouble, don't worry, Brawl Stars has a support feature where you can contact Supercell support team directly and explain your issue. In some cases, your Brawl Star account may have been linked to an email address even without using Supercell ID. If you remember the email you used, you can try recovering it by reaching out to Supercell support directly via email. Go to supercellhelpshift.com and provide your email address as much as account details info as possible, and wait for the team to review your case and send instructions on how to recover your account. After submitting your request, it may take a few days for Supercell support to get back to you. And that's it. Those are the steps you can follow to recover your Brawl Stars account without using a Supercell ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.